In this video I'm going to show you how to change the created date on a PDF file. So if you will open your PDF file and then go to the three dots and click on document properties, you will see the document properties. As you can see, there is a created date. At this document it doesn't display, but we can change these created dates. So what we will do, we will go to our Google browser and then go to the website seda.com. So after that we will click on all tools and we will go to others on the right side, and there you will find edit metadata. So click that, then upload the preferred file you would like to change the created date for, and then upload it. Now select it, and then you have two options. You can completely delete the metadata from the doc or update only specific fields. We would like to choose the second option since we want to change the created date on the PDF file. So change it, and after that you can fill in the date you would like to add. So let's say 13/04/2021. So we have changed the date to 13/04/2021. So now go all the way down and then update PDF metadata. Select it. Now it will be processed and you are able to download it. So download the file, and now if we open this option, click on it and we will open the file again, and then go to the right dots and click on document properties. You will see we have successfully changed the created date on the PDF file. This is how you change the created date on a PDF file. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!